Rigathi bitterness because he has spoken on matters touching on CRBC, a Chinese company, and also alleged that there were also Chinese from some China civil engineering company that were deported from this country. Rigathi has beef to pick with the China Roads and Bridges Corporation, and his bitterness is the high priest of corruption.
Correct.
He attempted to extort Kenya shillings 300 million from CRBC when he was the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. And he tried to extort this money from CRBC, or China Roads and Bridges Corporation, over their alleged transgressions during the Uhuru Kenyatta regime. CRBC, being a state-owned enterprise owned by the government of China, declined his demands and expressed the same concerns to none other than His Excellency the President, and the President stopped Rigathi in his tracks in an attempt to extort money from these Chinese corporations. It is noteworthy CRBC contracts are subjected to all the laws of Kenya and scrutinized by institutions such as the Public Procurement Regulatory Authority. And therefore, what Rigathi has been trying to do is to malign many of these Chinese corporations in an effort to try and extort money from them. We are here to tell all our foreign direct investors into Kenya, your investments, your contracts are safe, and even for us as members of parliament,